formulas that are available for margin of safety. Let us see the formulas first. Then we can go for doing the problems. So this margin of safety is also called as what? MOS in short. Okay. So this can be calculated in terms of units whenever the units information is available. So how you are going to calculate this is you are going to So in rupees you can calculate margin of safety. In units you can calculate. So to calculate in rupees we are having two formulas. What are they? Let us see. So first of all, let us see what is the formula for margin of safety in units. Sorry, in rupees. So that is equal to new profits divided by PV ratio. So once you have calculated the PV ratio, you can directly use this formula. By using PV ratio, calculation of MOS is you divide the profits divided by PV ratio. And to find out in units, what is the margin of safety? You take the actual sales that was given in the problem, whatever the sales that was given in units, that you take it as actual sales. Sometimes it may be given as output also. So that is nothing but the actual sales. Minus BEP sales you will be calculating in units, no? So that you deduct from this. You will get the margin of safety in units. And this is another formula to calculate the margin of safety in rupees. That is actual sales in rupees minus BEP sales in rupees. So you have to keep in mind that while calculating this, so you have to deduct units from units and rupees from rupees. So this is most important. So what you are taking actual sales, from that you have to deduct the same BEP sales. So if you take units, you deduct BEP sales in units. If you take in rupees sales, you deduct BEP sales in rupees. So these are the three formulas that are available based on the information and based on the calculations that you have done. You use this margin of safety, calculation of margin of safety. Is that clear? So we will apply these PV ratio formulas and the margin of safety formulas for a particular problem. We will take a problem and we will discuss on that, how to apply this in detail.